What is up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today what I got in the mail is a gaming desktop. Check that out, but this thing is in the way, but it's called a Atlantic gaming desk. I got this shit for $120. This thing was like $100, but I was too slow on buying it, so it went up in price. So if you guys ever come across this, I suggest you guys buy it now, or it's gonna go up in price. So right now this is gonna be a box opening, so bear with me. I am going to open it right now. Alright, so all these pieces right here, those are the legs. There's another box I'm about to open. There ain't nothing else in this box. That is the table itself right here, all black. That's like a little something to store underneath, like right here. This is my old table. I'm getting rid of this for the new one. Alright, I'm gonna open up the next one. Another box. Yeah, another box. Alright, so now I'm gonna put it all together. Whoa, my camera. Alright, so now I'm gonna put it all together, and it's gonna hopefully look like this, and I'll get back to you guys soon. Alright, homies, I am back, and so far this is what I got. So those are the legs. This is the bottom half of it. I still gotta work on the top half. So this is a drawer. I'm not really sure what this thing is supposed to. Oh, cool. So I guess you put wires in there, I guess. But yeah, this was a quick update. I'm gonna finish it up and I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, this is my final update of how the table looks like. It came out pretty nice, man. For 120, I say it's worth it, dog. Look how nice that looks. That's for the speakers, for your games, or whatever else you want to put. That little top thing, so you can put your monitor on top or a laptop. You can put like your phones, or fucking, yeah, I said phones with an S. Some people have two phones, or fucking tablet or iPad. The other spot for your speakers. Yeah, man. But yeah, that's it. All I have to do is just set it all up, and yeah, that's it. But if you guys want to see, you know, like the final outcome with all my stuff on it, then I'll just put it in the video also. Okay, so this ain't the final update, so yeah, I'll get back to you guys later. Alright. Alright guys, now this is the final update. Everything looks awesome. Alright, so I got one of my speakers on that side, one right there, I don't know if you can see that, it's pretty dark, and one right there, so I got 3, and my subwoofers right there. Yeah, I say I clean my room, but yep, this is my setup. It looks gnarly, I like it. Man, like I said, I can't say this enough. If you guys want one of these tables, go onto Amazon right now, get it while it's still cheap. And yeah man, if you guys hold off like I did, it's gonna go up in price, man, I'm telling you guys. Alright guys, take it easy, I'll talk to you guys later. Be safe, have fun, deuces.